So over here we have a table, and let's say I want to add in another row on the top. So I'm just going to go around and hit tab right here. So I have one more row right there. So I'm just going to cut this out, paste it right here. And here what I want to do is I want to, let's say, resize this like a title, and then I want to add in something else right here. So let's say I want to say this is game consoles, just like this, game console prices. So now what I want to do is I want to merge these three cells out. So I can simply go ahead, select all of these three cells just like that, click and drag it. And what I can do is I can right click and then simply click on merge cells. So what that does is three cells now turn into one cell, as you can see right here. So I can also go and unmerge cells so it reverts back onto normal. So I'm just going to keep and merge that cell right here. And in order to make this cell a bit bigger, I can simply go over here and you can see that an icon appears. So I can simply click and drag this out to push the other content a bit downward. So I can select this now and then center it out just like this. So I can center it out and I can resize this out as well. So I can resize this layout and you can see that now this seems more like a title and there's a table beneath it. And that is how you can quickly resize and merge table cells to have different things. So I can just go over here, merge these cells as well, and both the data will be merged out. So you can merge the cells out together however you want. So that's how you quickly resize and merge table cells inside of Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.